Hey everybody, I hope everybody's having an awesome Monday morning. It's Monday the 25th, and so I want to show you a new arrival. It's a RP-192. It's a 2023. They've changed their colors, and of course the little frog decal on the outside. If somebody wants a really nice little travel trailer that's easy to pull, this one's around 3,300 pounds dry, and it's going to be at 22 feet. So kind of a grayish brown, was a light gray. Got an old window on the back. It's got a nice shower stall with the shower miser. Nice shower stall, and that does have a pocket door. It goes across, so you get the nice variation of colors. So it does have a little snap on her. Now this has a 12-volt TV. You do have an inverter. You got a shower solar panel on top. You have solar controller too. You do have a stereo. Like I said, 12-volt TV. And nice little dinette by the window. Does have a shade. And you can really enjoy the outdoors here. So you get a 15K Coleman Mac, more than enough to keep you cool in this coach. Convection oven, and like I said, you do get the internal vac. Now this is a Murphy bed, and you do get plug-in, and you get the nice phone jacks and all that. So this is a Murphy bed, so let's put it up. I think you're gonna like it because they got this new design on the outside of the underneath the bed that folds up. So all the places you can go are marked right there. Just head out. So nice nice sofa here. So that's how she looks with everything up. Does have nice shades. Come down. That's probably Venetian blind. So let's move to the outside, and I'll show you what's going on out there. So, does have a LP connect, and you'll get a grill to put right there. This is how she looks. So she has a nice awning on her. Here's the decals for this year. Now the frog is staring up towards the stars. So that's what he's doing this year. So I guess these are like the stars, sort of. And then the honeycomb look again. So anyway, speakers, you get the nice awning. You do have some storage. Power front jack. There's that window I was telling you about. It kind of pops open, and you can enjoy the fresh air and all that. You do get a nice power front jack. There's the other side of the storage. In there. 30 are the tanks on this unit. Windows are privacy tinted. Nice little single axle trailer. They have a lot of fun in the summer. Does have a propane or electric water heater, and it has the steps or ladder to go up to the back. So here we are. That's the RP-192 2023 edition. Have any questions on this? Just holler at us. Thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.